Mohammed teaches you a slave is equal to his master. Is black Bilal, who I paid money for, equal to me?
Yes. Mohammed says, before God, all men are as equal as the teeth of a comb.
This is a very pleasant idea to slaves and beggars. It gives them pretensions.
Bilal, teach this man the difference between a lord and a slave. Take that whip. Lash his face to teach his mouth a lesson. Whip him! Whip him! Cut! Whip him! I'll kill you.
See what anarchy they bring. They've even infected our slaves. If you're human enough to have gods, remember, you're the gods of your owner.
I bought your humanity, Bilal, when I bought you. You will be corrected. Who's stronger now? Your master or this one God of yours?
God. There is no God but God. And Mohammed is the messenger of God.
Protect the Prophet!
There is no God but God. And Mohammed is the messenger of God.
There's something missing. Maybe a bell to call the people in.
The Christians use a bell?
What about a horn? Like the Jews?
A drum. There's too much blood in a drum.
Why not the human voice? As in Umar ibn Khattab's vision.
If the Prophet agrees, he means you, Bilal.
Me?
You have a good voice. Use it. Climb up there.
أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله